citizen of Rojas. How would you showcase pride in your own town to the entire province of Palawan?
Thank you. As a citizen of Rojas, I am proud that I would like
Ganon din.
I would like to showcase my pride as a Black American and a half Filipina. I would like to show to Palawan that I am not just a woman who stands here in this stage, but I am a woman with the power to show my beauty inside and outside without fear and hesitation.
In the journey of life, which do you think is the better teacher, failure or success?
Thank you for that wonderful question. For me, the best teacher in our life is the failure because failure is the biggest challenges that we face. So we learn and we learn if we fail, And anytime that we fail, we will get another chance to think what we should do to our next journey. And I thank you.
Lilinawin ko pong mabuti. Lilinawin ko po. Ang barangay na una kong tatawagin ay ang bago ninyong mutya ng Rojas 2025. Which means, ang hindi ko po tatawagin ay ang bago ninyong mutya ng Panalamanang Festival 2025. Who do you think is our new queen? Once again, happy founding anniversary, Bayan ng Rojas! Mutya ng Rojas 2025 is representing Barangay